joining me for another Dave Sam production. Today we're going to be talking about something that I've been getting a lot of questions about: making money on YouTube. Before I jump in, I just want to say thank you to those of you joining me for the first time, and welcome back to those of you who are joining me for another Dave Sam production. Much appreciated. As always, please go down, hit that like button, subscribe, get notified so that you can see all my content. After my last two videos, I had a ton of people asking me the same question. Do I make money on YouTube, or do I get paid to make YouTube videos? At first I thought it was a pretty silly question because I have so few subscribers, but the reality is that most people don't understand the YouTube game. And I'm going to go ahead and demystify this for everybody right from the get-go. No, I do not get paid to make YouTube videos. There's several factors that go into whether or not a YouTube video is going to be sponsored, monetized, whatever you want to call it, that I'll get into. But right now, the things that I might qualify for, unfortunately, are just going to take more time and investment than they're going to be worth initially. So I'll probably not get to those till maybe the end of the year, but honestly, probably maybe even next year. There are 5 major ways that creators make money on YouTube. First, we got Google AdSense. And Google AdSense is what YouTube actually pays you for the ads that are run during a YouTube video. You'll see those pretty frequently on much more popular YouTube channels. In order to even qualify for this, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watched time cumulatively across your channel, which I have neither of, and in all honesty, I'm not even close to. The second way that people make money on YouTube is through affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically when a brand will pay you anytime that somebody goes to the link that you've provided through your YouTube video to purchase a product. They're basically paying you to be a little bit of a sales agent. So you get a tiny commission on anybody or any purchase through anyone that makes a purchase through that link. This is something that can be achieved on any channel of any size. You just have to find the right partners and the right affiliate links to match to your website. However, of course, you're going to make more money on this the more subscribers that you have. Well, maybe not the more subscribers that you have, but at least the more views that you get per video. The third way to make money on YouTube is through brand deals. And brand deals come about when a product wants to partner with you, or a brand wants to partner with you to, honestly, most of the time bring a new product to market. And they're going to pay you mostly to feature that product in the YouTube video that you're creating. Part of that is going to sometimes come with like a discount code or something. You'll often see that for YouTubers posting at the end a link or something like that will get you a discount, or using their link will get you a discount to that product. I don't know if people want to listen to somebody who's never made money on YouTube talk about making money on YouTube, or how to make money on YouTube. The fourth way to make money on YouTube is sponsorships. And with sponsorships, what happens is that a brand will legitimately sponsor you to make your videos. There's going to be some sort of agreement that happens where they'll say, hey, make 5 videos, and for each video we'll pay you X amount of dollars. And in that video, you're expected to run basically your own sponsorship ad for that brand. Things like if you've seen a Casey Neistat video, NordicVPN, he almost always does kind of a 30-second spot for NordicVPN. They've been a long-time sponsor of his. And he basically just features that brand in any of his videos, regardless of what the video is about. The fifth, and honestly one of the most significant ways that YouTubers make money, is merch. And merch is, again, exactly what it sounds like. This is stuff that we would be selling to our community at large. Things like shirts, pens, whatever, that are branded for your community. You can see these from many, many, many YouTubers. I would say the most successful YouTubers have some sort of merch line that they're trying to push for their subscribers, for their community to be part of. So making money is half of the equation when it comes to making a YouTube video. The other half of the equation is the actual content creation. What does it cost to make a YouTube video? And there's 4 major things that anybody's going to need in order to start making YouTube videos. A, content, which is always going to be king. It should always be number 1. It is the most important part about making YouTube videos. 2, a camera of any kind. This could be your phone. If you've got a camera laying around, basically use the best camera that you can get your hands on. Something to edit on. This could also be your phone or your laptop, your iPad or tablet of some kind, anything that gives you the ability to edit video. And this one's not necessarily a need, but a highly recommended improvement is going to be audio. Get something that's better than just your phone's audio or just your camera's audio, even if it's only like a $40 or $50, even like a $30 boom mic that you can put on top of your camera. Now, depending on your niche, you're going to have very different upfront costs associated with making a YouTube video. For something that's educational, finance, actual education, math, technology, something like that, the communication of tips and tricks for videography or cinematography, something like that, those are all going to require a heavy upfront investment of time more than they're going to require an investment of money necessarily. Of course, there's going to be different investments, education that you're going to need in order to be able to communicate these things, different gear that you've accumulated over the years in order to showcase how to do the different tips and tricks, things like that. But the actual investment of creating the YouTube video, more often than not, that leap is just going to be taking the time to actually translate your knowledge into a video. The other major niche that a lot of people work in is going to be the product review travel blog niche. This is going to require a little bit more upfront monetary investment, where maybe it's not going to require as much time for you to put the content together because you're really getting new content frequently and you're going to be reviewing it or running through very similar evaluations, if you will, of your type of content. The big investment is going to be that monetary investment. For a channel like mine, I'm doing bag reviews for the most part, or men's gear reviews once I get there. It's going to be that monetary investment in actually purchasing the bags. At some point in time, of course, I would love for any of my bag companies, you know, the ones that I've already done or others, when the channel gets big enough to send me things so that I can actually just review them without necessarily purchasing them, and then really just purchasing the ones that I'm falling in love with. But I'm not there yet. I think I'm going to need probably a lot more subscribers before brands are starting to or wanting to start to work with me. All right, the last question. Do I plan on making money on YouTube? I think the answer is, of course, I'd love to make money on YouTube, but in all honesty, I'm just not focused on that right now. I'm very new to content creation. I'm semi-new to bag reviews, or at least publicly reviewing bags. It's something that has been a personal passion for a little while, but I need to establish myself as more of that expert, if you will, in a field. In order to actually start making money, this is something that I'd compare to going to grad school, going to college, something like that. You're making an upfront investment with the expectation that you're going to be able to make money off of that investment in the future. Right now I'm in a situation where I'm pretty lucky. I don't necessarily need to make money off of YouTube. I've got a great job, which I love, and I'm thankful for, especially during these times. And I'm getting the opportunity to make YouTube videos. I just want the content to be better. So as always, again, leave comments, let me know what you think. Let me know what questions you want me to answer, or if there are any bags or anything upcoming that you want me to take a look at. All right, until I make money on YouTube, join me weekly for these YouTube videos that y'all can help me grow my channel and hopefully eventually monetize. Next week, we're gonna be taking a look at the gravel travel system. I'm gonna be doing a full review. I am super hype about it. It is a fantastic feeling and looking bag. I will see you guys next week. Peace.